One of the biggest challenges 3D artists face in product rendering is making 3D objects look truly professional, whether it's matching brand colors, creating realistic lighting, or designing a composition that delivers a clear message. In this beginner-friendly course, I'll guide you step by step to create stunning 7-up product renders using Unreal Engine and DaVinci Resolve. You will learn the complete workflow from the basics to advanced techniques, including studio lighting, reference matching, and even integrating live action footage with CGI. I'm Jay Parekh, an Unreal authorized instructor and a 3D artist at DaVinci Studios. We specialize in creating high-quality cinematics, virtual environments, game assets, and interactive VR experiences. This course is perfect for beginner to intermediate Unreal artists. Here is what we'll cover. In part 1, we'll cover the basics of Unreal Engine and DaVinci Resolve. In part 2, we'll study the real-world photo shoot lighting setup and replicate it in Unreal Engine. In part 3, we'll match the reference image exactly from its hue, saturation, contrast to camera angle. We'll also see how to create droplets on any shape. And lastly, in part 4, we'll integrate live action footage with CGI. Right now, early joiners can access the course at a discounted price. Once all 4 parts are released, the price will increase. So this is the best time to join. By the end of this course, you will have the skills to create professional product renders from start to finish. To get started, click the link below and enroll now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you inside the course.